Time is the most valuable asset for any professional, creator, or small team. Many people attempt to increase their productivity by working longer hours or using complicated task management apps that require constant maintenance. However, the introduction of modern artificial intelligence has made it possible to design structured workflows that automate repetitive tasks, saving substantial time each week. In this video, we will break down a 3-step AI-powered workflow designed to reclaim 10 hours of your work week. This system focuses on capturing spoken thoughts, synthesizing them into structured formats, and automating the distribution of the final output. Instead of relying on manual data entry or starting documents from a blank page, this workflow leverages language models to handle the initial heavy lifting. We will analyze the specific tools required, explain how they connect, and discuss the operational principles that make this system work. We will address common barriers to entry, such as the initial setup complexity and the fear of losing personal touch in communication. Whether you manage a small team, run a freelance business, or coordinate creative projects, this workflow provides a scalable foundation that adapts to your needs. By implementing these practices, you can build a sustainable routine that reduces administrative friction and allows you to focus on high-leverage strategic work. First, the workflow begins with voice capture and automated transcription. Most professionals lose hours trying to type out raw ideas, meeting notes, or project briefs. Writing is a high-friction activity that often leads to procrastination. To solve this, you can transition to a voice-first input system using advanced speech-to-text models like OpenAI's Whisper or specialized voice capture tools like AudioPen and Oasis. When you finish a meeting or have a sudden idea, you simply record a voice memo on your phone. The AI then processes the audio file, transcribes it with high accuracy, and cleans up the transcript by removing filler words, pauses, and repetition. This transforms a scattered, 5-minute voice recording into a clean, readable text document within seconds. The efficiency gain here is substantial because humans speak far faster than they type. A typical professional speaks at approximately 150 words per minute, whereas typing speed often hovers around 40 words per minute. By speaking your notes, you reduce transcription time by over 70%. Furthermore, modern transcription tools can recognize technical terminology and correct grammatical structures automatically. This ensures that the raw data entering your productivity system is clean and structured. Using a dedicated mobile app allows you to record on the go, whether you are walking to a meeting or traveling. Furthermore, having a transcription engine integrated directly into your workflow means you do not have to export and import files manually. You can set up your system to watch a specific audio folder and trigger transcription automatically. This level of automation ensures that the voice notes are processed without any additional steps, which is critical for long-term habit formation. The key is to build a habit of recording a brief audio note immediately after key events, such as client calls or planning sessions, rather than waiting until the end of the day when details are forgotten. Second, once the raw transcript is generated, the next step involves synthesis and document structuring. We use large language models like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini to turn the raw text into professional assets. A common mistake is asking the AI to write a document from scratch without context. Instead, you feed the clean transcript from the first step into the model and instruct it to extract specific outputs. For example, if you input a meeting transcript, you can ask the AI to generate a bulleted list of action items, a summary of key decisions, and a draft email to send to the participants. If you recorded a raw brain dump about a new project, you can instruct the model to organize it into a formal project proposal with timelines and milestones. This process works because language models excel at formatting and synthesizing existing information. It eliminates the blank page syndrome and ensures that your documents follow a consistent structure. When choosing a language model for this step, consider factors such as context window size, processing speed, and data privacy. Some models allow you to create custom versions with preloaded templates, which can standardize your outputs. For instance, you can create a custom bot that is programmed to output markdown files with specific headers. This ensures that every report, summary, or plan generated by your team looks identical, maintaining professional consistency. During this step, it is helpful to use system instructions or custom templates to define the exact tone, style, and output format you require. This ensures that generated text aligns with your professional standards. By letting the AI handle the initial organization, you only need to spend a few minutes reviewing, editing, and finalizing the draft, rather than hours constructing the layout and phrasing from scratch. Finally, the workflow concludes with automated distribution and task integration. Saving time on writing is only half the battle, you must also streamline how that information moves between your business tools. Using automation platforms like Zapier or Make, you can connect your AI synthesis tools to your project management software, communication channels, and databases. For instance, when a new meeting summary is generated in your document store, an automated trigger can create tasks in Trello or Asana, send the action items to a Slack channel, and draft a follow-up email in your Gmail account. This integration removes the administrative overhead of copying and pasting text across multiple tabs. It ensures that your team stays aligned without manual intervention. Another benefit of this automated pipeline is the reduction of human error. When copying tasks by hand, it is easy to forget a detail, mistype a deadline, or omit a recipient. The AI-to-automation connection ensures that the exact text, links, and dates are transferred correctly. Over the course of a month, this eliminates small communication gaps that can delay projects and frustrate clients. It turns a fragile, manual workflow into a structured, repeatable business engine. To implement this successfully, you should start small by automating a single path, such as sending meeting notes to a shared folder. Once that connection is stable, you can gradually add more complex integrations. This systematic approach ensures that your automated systems remain reliable and easy to troubleshoot when errors occur. By linking voice capture, AI synthesis, and system automation, you create a seamless pipeline that runs in the background, freeing up valuable hours each week to focus on growing your business or creating new content. Signal Stack AI helps professionals, creators, and small teams understand the AI tools that actually matter. Each video breaks down one workflow, one tool category, or one automation strategy without hype, jargon, or fake promises. If you want to save time, build smarter systems, and stay ahead of the AI curve, this channel gives you clear, practical explanations you can use immediately. This video is general technology education, not a guarantee of productivity gains, software stability, or business revenue. AI tool features, pricing, and terms of service change frequently.